Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss McCourt. I am going to do a read aloud for you today on nonfiction. And the name of the book happens to be Learning About Nonfiction. You've learned a lot this week about nonfiction text features. And in this book, there are a lot of text features that we can see and we can talk about and learn about. So I noticed on the front cover where the title is that it's telling me that this is a nonfiction book and it wants to teach me about that. I noticed that there's a large shark and that there's a kid reading all about sharks. So I wonder if he's learning lots and lots of new information. So let's get ready to read. Okay, look it up. This is a header. The header helps you to learn about what the page or pages are about. So let's read it. I wonder how fast a shark can swim. What does evaporate mean? Where is the Rio Grande? Look it up. A nonfiction book tells you facts. Facts are true. We know that because we've read a lot of nonfiction books. Look at him. Look at all those books. I hope you boys and girls have tons of books too. At the front, on the front cover, you will find the author's name. An author researches and writes a nonfiction book. All the true things that are in the book. There's the title, and then there's the author. The author is very important. Turn to the table of contents. It shows you how topics are grouped in the book. Where do sharks live? We can find out on page 6. So here's the table of contents. That's a really important text feature that we've seen a lot this year. And you've learned a lot about that this week. So if you want to know, you go right here. Where do sharks live? On page 6. Another header, in the book. So this part is going to tell us about what's in the book. Headings tell readers what a section will be about. Find the heading, Speedy Swimmers. The words on these pages describe how sharks swim fast. Speedy swimmers. So on these pages, it's going to talk about how and why the sharks swim so fast. Charts and diagrams help nonfiction readers. Charts list facts in rows. Diagrams use labels to show parts of something. Well, the diagrams are the pictures. The labels, we all know about them really well. We use them in writing all the time to label our pictures. Well, this is a diagram, okay? It's just like the picture, okay? But it's telling different parts of the shark. Maps tell nonfiction readers where to find places. Look at the United States map. They tell us what map symbols mean. I see a river. It's the Rio Grande. She's pointing right there. And this is the map of the United States. Boys and girls, today, if you listen to the social studies lesson that I did, then you would know about the maps. They give us lots of information. There's the map key or the legend, and there's a compass rose. At the back, nonfiction books have more information at the back. A glossary is a list of words and what the words mean. What does evaporate mean? So the glossary, and we've talked about this too before, this is a very important text feature. If you don't understand a word in this book, you can go back here and find that word, and then there is a dictionary definition. So it'll tell you, what does it mean? And then this gives you more places to go to find out more about the topic that you're reading. Bibliographies and indexes help readers too. A bibliography in a book about sharks lists other shark books. An index helps you find information within the book. There's the index. If you want to learn about clouds, You could go right to page 4 or page 10 or page 12. Or if you want to learn about evaporation, you can go to page 8 or page 14. This is another very important text feature. Kinds of nonfiction. Biographies and how-to books are kinds of nonfiction. Learn to make paper crafts from a how-to book. Read about the president in a biography. This little girl looks like she's learning how to make a royal crown. Right there, she's got a how-to book. Okay, boys and girls, we've learned so much more about our nonfiction. And that book was a lot of fun. It makes me kind of want to read a book about sharks. How about you? What are you going to want to read about? And what text features are you going to look for in your next nonfiction book? Take care for now. I'll see you soon.